Frontline Assistance for Stress and Trauma, FAST. What is FAST? We are a small volunteer team of compassionate, trauma-experienced, skilled practitioners who have come together in FAST to contribute our skills during this COVID-19 crisis. We do not need clapping. We need resources like FAST and a nurturing ethos. Anon Health Visitor. FAST offers online emotional support for all UK healthcare and emergency workers adversely impacted in their work and home life by COVID-19. Why FAST? FAST is unique. Our sessions are centred around the emotional freedom technique, better known as tapping. Scientific evidence shows EFT is one of the most effective and fast ways to dial down stress, anxiety or trauma to manageable levels, allowing you to regain and maintain your sense of self-control. This puts you in a better position to continue caring for others, patients, family or even colleagues. During our pilot, 100% of the frontline professionals who used our service reported significantly reduced stress levels and an overall improvement in emotional well-being in just 4 or even fewer sessions. I had a 45-minute EFT session with a FAST therapist and the effect was instant and dramatic. My experience of EFT was that it is extremely effective, it is free from side effects and the improvement is immediate. I can wholeheartedly recommend this form of therapy. Dr. AP. Our practitioners also teach you this simple technique, giving you a highly effective self-help tool you can draw on whatever circumstances you find yourself in. When FAST? Now. Whether you'd like help with current stress and trauma or wish to prepare and increase your resilience for a predicted second wave, we're here to help. If you'd like to take up our offer of support, please click Access Free Support on our website. We will respond quickly, it's free of charge, and your details are always kept strictly confidential. An amazing free service that has helped me to keep going at such an intense time. Anonymous Health Carer. Emotional freedom technique can help with feelings of exhaustion and overwhelm, sleep problems, stress, anxiety and panic, feelings of anger, feelings of isolation and detachment, coping with new and fast-moving high-stress situations, managing acute, traumatic stress reactions. FAST. Our aim is to support you so you can continue caring for others. Getting one-to-one confidential online help from FAST is quick, easy and completely free of charge. Go to www.fasttraumasupport.org.uk. Thank you for watching.